Today we're gonna talk about the differences between an AVI and an MP4 file, and then learn how to convert AVI to MP4 on a Mac. Hi, I'm Dom from Wondershare UniConverter, and before we get into the video, remember to subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks on video related issues. When it comes to video file types, the most common video file containers people will say from the top of their heads are AVI, MP4, MOV, WMV, FLV, MKV, and so on. Two of the most popular video formats, both AVI and MP4, can contain digital video and audio data in one file. But here comes the question. AVI versus MP4, which one is better? Let's take a few factors into consideration. Number 1, compression. Compared to most video formats, AVI compresses less data of a video and audio. You can even create an uncompressed AVI file as well if you want. Meanwhile, it is quite normal for MP4 to compress files while storing data. After all, it is a lossy video format that aims to reduce file size. But don't worry, that also makes MP4 a portable and web-friendly container format. Number 2, file size. Due to less compression, AVI files are usually larger and may occupy more storage space than the files like FLV or RMVB and many other video formats. As to MP4 files, they are smaller in size than AVI files in most cases, so if you need to save up space, we recommend using MP4 format. But of course, you always have the option to compress files with a professional video compressor like the one in the Wondershare UniConverter. Number 3, quality. Even though AVI and MP4 are both video wrapper formats, they use different codecs. AVI uses DIV-X codec and MP4 uses MPEG-4 AVC/H.264 codec, which may cause differences in quality between the two formats. AVI files can be lossless, which provides viewers with higher quality, but it also doesn't mean that MP4 results in low quality videos, just maybe in a bit less crispy image compared to AVI when they store the same video data. It's important to say that when an AVI and an MP4 video file contains the same exact video data, and they are the same size, then the MP4 video will actually perform better in terms of quality. Alright, now let's see how to convert AVI files to MP4. If you are looking for professional software that is fast, accurate, feature-packed, and offers lossless quality files, then the Wondershare UniConverter is the best choice, and it also handles many different video formats. Alright, step 1. Download, install, and then open the Wondershare UniConverter for Mac. On the home page, select the Converter tab and click Add Files. Add the AVI files you are looking to convert. Pro tip: if you need to add AVI files from a camcorder or other external devices, connect the device and select Add from Device option. Multiple files can be added here. Step 2. Choose MP4 as the output format. Open the drop-down menu of the output format in the bottom left corner. From the Video tab, select MP4 as the output format and choose your desired resolution on the right. Step 3. At the bottom of File Location, select the location you want to save the converted files to. And then when you're done with everything, click Convert or Start All to begin the process. Very simple, right? If you've learned any useful information in this video, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks on video related issues. And also, if you have any questions, feel free to ask us, we're happy to help you. With that being said, thank you so much for watching, and I'm going to see you in the next video.